Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi Note 5A Prime. Start unpacking. Open box, device in the gold color, look him later. And now look complementation. In complementation we have instruction, adapter for charging, micro USB cable and a key for SIM slot. Device made in plastic. On the back side we have camera and LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 5.5-inch display, free sensor key, talk speaker, front camera and sensors. On the left side we have slot for SIM card. On the right side power key and volume keys. Downside port micro USB, speaker and microphone. On the upside headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings, look. Android version 7.1.2, version MIUI 9.2. Close this and open Geekbench 4. So, CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 435, this is octa-core processor 4+4 cores, second 4 cores work 1.4 GHz, first 4 cores work 1.1 GHz. GPU Adreno 505, resolution HD, display IPS. RAM memory 3 GB, internal memory 32 GB and micro SD slot for memory. Okay, look results, CPU test results. And GPU test results. Close Geekbench 4 and look onto the benchmark results. Onto the benchmark. Multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches, very good. Close onto the benchmark and open the demanding game GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level. Graphic level max and resume game. Game load and works good on the max graphic level. Okay, close GTA San Andreas. Open camera. Main camera 13 megapixels. Front camera 16 megapixels. And now I show you photos on this camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.